Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to this channel. My name is Nima. As you can see, I received this package a couple of minutes ago. Actually, I found my package, which is supposed to be delivered by a company that you may or may not know, FedEx. Um, Strangely enough, it was delivered to someone else, and it took a couple of days for me to track it down. Anyway, I'm happy that it didn't go missing. This is a package from RightOn straps, made in Spain. Um, in a minute, I'm going to open this box for you. Um, but to complete, almost complete my project with my black Strat, I needed to order this product. And I didn't believe that this product, which is a guitar leather strap, coming with this box, it's pretty nice. First of all, I received this letter. Thank you for shopping, with 10% discount for the next shop, next purchase. And my belt is wrapped in this nice color kind of paper. As you may or may not know, this is a replica to David Gilmour's strap. I believe it's a Jimi Hendrix strap. I don't know the story behind the guitar strap that Mr. Gilmour used, but I know that it was a gift from his wife. And this company, the RightOn, is a very popular company. They have a very exclusive adjustment system, which is called ROS or RAS. I have to admit, it's a very nice material. Feel expensive, but the price for this guitar strap was not that crazy. Even though here in Norway we have to pay like $25 extra receiving a package, receiving a product um, from the foreign countries. But again, the price was not that high for me. And as you can see, there's a gift for me. It's a strap lock. I never used that before, so I'm going to learn. And this is just a like a sticker or something. Anyway, that was nice. Put them back in the box. You can see the adjustment system, which is very different from the other adjustment system in the other guitars. You can see the quality of the leather. It's a very nice padding. I later on I tried this strap on my shoulder. It's thicker than the other and more comfortable than the other guitar straps that I used before. There was a claim on the tag with this strap that there are several pickup holders on this strap, maybe from this brand, but I don't see any pickup holders on this special strap. Maybe it's hidden for me, but it's not the big issue. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with your friends. Till Till next time, take care.